In today's video, I will walk you through how to find trending coins on CoinMarketCap before they explode. To find trending cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, start by going to the CoinMarketCap homepage. On the front page, locate the Trending Coins section. This section shows cryptocurrencies that are currently trending based on recent activity. Review the list of trending coins displayed there, and check which cryptocurrencies are gaining attention. Select a trending coin from the list to review more information. Check why the coin is trending and look at the details available on CoinMarketCap. If you want to verify more information about a trending coin, copy the coin's contract address. Use the copied address to search for more details and check what people are saying about it. Go to X, previously known as Twitter, and paste the contract address into the search area. Review the posts and discussions related to the coin. Check the conversations around the cryptocurrency to see when people started discussing it and what information is available. Review the activity and discussions connected to the coin before continuing your research. After checking the information, return to CoinMarketCap and continue reviewing other trending coins. Use the Trending Coins section to identify cryptocurrencies that are receiving attention and to follow what is currently happening in the market. You can also review trending coins shown through recently scanned activity. These coins are based on what people are currently trading and searching for. When you find a coin that is trending, check the available details and compare the information from different sources. Copy the contract address when needed and search for community discussions to verify the activity around the coin. Continue checking trending coins on CoinMarketCap and review the information available for each one. This process helps you find coins that are currently gaining attention and understand what is happening in the crypto space. Thank you for watching.